Welcome to another video, guys. I'll be showing you how to bring life to your Canva creations. For this quick guide, I'll be using a template I made. This template uses all of Canva's tools. Nothing is external. But again, it is up to you if you want to use any external media to create your design. This is a business card for a made-up store named Santa's Pizza Shop. To the left is the logo of the business, and to the right is all contact information. The logo uses elements within Canva that include a melting circle of cheese, standard pizza graphic, and curved words. Everything is within Canva. The creative use of melting cheese surrounding a pizza is just one idea on how you could bring your creations to life. The use of different colors and gradients throughout your design, like used in between the logo on the left and contact information on the right, is another way. If you have words represented by labels, like the way the template shows, be sure to give different color patterns for a more pleasing design. The labels are made with a square frame with the images in the center. That is another unique method. I will leave this template in the description if you want to use it as a guide to your creations. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.